Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to allow Capcut to access photos on iPhone. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to open the iPhone settings. All right. From the settings, I want you to click the apps and then click the Capcut. From the Capcut, the next thing that you need to do is to click the photo section so you can allow access to it. All right. You see right now, I didn't allow Capcut to access my photos. You have two more options. You can, of course, select the limited access wherein you can only have Capcut access selected photos and add access. Or if you want to give Capcut full access to 3,000 photos in my iPhone and 1,317 videos. But remember that photos may contain data associated with location, depth information, captions, and audio. All right. Of course, the reason that you're allowing Capcut to access your photos lets you quickly import your images and videos into your projects without needing to manually transfer files. This obviously saves times and makes the editing process more efficient. Of course, you can incorporate photos directly into your videos, whether it's for custom thumbnails and overlays or background images. This enhances the visual appeal of your content. And of course, if you are creating a photo slideshow or collage, right here, you'll need to access the photo library. All right. And then after that, just open the Capcut and create your work within the video. You can add simply here an overlay where you can access the videos and the photos right here. And then from there, if you're creating a photo slideshow or collage style video, you'll need to access your photo library for adding and arranging images. All right. It can enhance your videos with photos. Sometimes you may want to include images in your video for storytelling, branding, or additional context. Access to photos allows for smooth integration because you can use the photos within transitions or maybe for animations to make the video more engaging and creative. With Capcut having access to your photos, you won't need to leave the app to import files from another source, allowing for a quicker editing process. You can have a direct access to the photos from within the app, making it easier to drag and drop media files, speeding up the workflow. And once you're happy, just click the export button and send it to your client for feedback. Or if you're part of a collaborative environment, you might want to send them for team members for feedback. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.